It's as simple as that. Now we're going to join two pieces of extrusion together by utilizing our quick connector. The quick connector is made up of three parts: a barrel which has a set screw in it, and a stud which has a groove in it and an O-ring. As you torque down the set screw, it slides it in, slides it out. So we take our extrusion, you drill a 17mm hole at a desired location, you take the barrel, you slide that into place, then you take your stud, and you're going to make sure that this groove here is in line with the set screw. And you just press it in a little bit so you don't see the O-ring anymore. The nice thing about this is it's adjustable, where our connecting screw, it's fixed unless you drill another axis hole. Now, you take the other extrusion, which has no machining into it, you slide that to where you want to have it located. It could be 2 inches, 3 inches. You can move it whenever you want. And you take your Allen wrench, torque it down, it's locked into place. Now you can move it wherever you want by loosening it, or leave it torqued up, and you're ready to move forward.